Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And today's video I'm going to review a biscuit that I used to love when I was small, and it's an amazing biscuit. I know many of y'all must have eaten it when y'all were young. So guys, this is the Britannia Nice Time Biscuit. It's the same good old taste with a great new pack. That's so right about it. And let's review the Britannia Nice Time Biscuit. Let's see if it's as good as it used to be earlier in those days. So let's start off with the review of the Britannia Nice Time. This is the Britannia Nice Time, and this biscuit has been in India for over a decade now. More than 2 decades, I would say. And this was one of my favorite biscuits when I was young. And let's start off with the review of it, and let's see if the taste is the same or no. So guys, this here right here we can see the Britannia branding right here. Then the Nice Time branding here. These are sugar showered coconut biscuits. So here's the illustration of the Nice Time biscuit right here. There's some coconut trees around, and then here it says good old taste, great new pack. The net weight of this package is 150 grams, and now the Britannia Nice Time is priced at ₹25 for 150 grams. And another thing here, we can see the nutritional information given here. The ingredients are mentioned here. The ingredients are refined wheat flour, which is maida, so these are made out of maida. Yeah. Let's look at the shelf life. Shelf life. Where is the shelf life? Yeah, dies before 6 months from packaging. So the shelf life is 6 months from packaging. So guys, this is the Britannia Nice Time, and I used to enjoy these biscuits when I was young. They used to really go well with the tea. It would have a nice crunch to it with the sugar shower on top of it, and then the coconutty flavor to it was just amazing. And these were one of my favorite biscuits when I was young. So let's go ahead and unpack this biscuit packet, and let's look at the product. Guys, here we have unpacked it, and the Britannia Nice Time comes in this plastic carton right here. And how many biscuits do we get in it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we have a total of 23 biscuits here. Let's look at the biscuit. So let's look at the biscuits right now. Here we go. This is a Nice Time biscuit. So from the looks of it, the sugar has definitely reduced. The amount of sugar that used to be there earlier, it has definitely reduced right now. So very little sugar showered on the biscuits. I don't know if sugar has got expensive or something, but earlier this biscuit was really showered with sugar. But right now this amount of sugar showered on the biscuit is much lesser than earlier. So let's go ahead and do a taste test of it. It's a Nice Time. I can hardly see any sugar. Like earlier in the good old days, it was really showered with sugar. Right now there's hardly any granules of sugar on top of it. But still, let's go ahead and do a taste test. It still has the same coconutty crunch. Amazing coconut powder flavor to it. But the sugary shower is missing. Sugar is really missing in it, like on top. That's what would like actually get the kids to love this biscuit, because it was showered with sugar. But now the biscuit has very little sugar on top of it, and that's one change I noticed. Okay. Apart from that, the taste remains the same old taste of the biscuit, which is amazing. That doesn't change. So Nice Time remains to be one of my favorite biscuits. Just that sugar has been reduced on top of it, but it's okay. Like for us right now, for adults right now, we won't be so much interested on the sugar shower on top of it. But definitely the kids won't like it that much. because the only point for them to enjoy this biscuit was sugar showered on top of it. So yeah guys, this was my review about the Britannia Nice Time Biscuit. And if you all want to purchase the biscuit, it's available on Amazon. And I have left the link to this biscuit in the description below, so you'll compare it from Amazon. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing biscuit reviews.